Welcome to Awesome Learning. Please like, share our videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications. Why? Why do we have hiccups? Hiccups are caused by involuntary contractions of your diaphragm, the muscle that separates your chest from your abdomen. This involuntary contraction causes your vocal cords to close very briefly, which produces the characteristic sound of a hiccup. Hiccups are usually temporary, but in rare cases, they can stick around for a while. Thank you for learning with us.